Yummies! I'm Rica Peralejo-Bonifacio and today I'm at the Yummy kitchen and we are going to be making Mini Fiesta Frittatas. Perfect Baon recipe for moms and dads who are on the go.
Whisk together eggs, milk, ham, red bell pepper, zucchini, cheese, salt, and pepper. Can't find zucchini? You can use cucumber instead. In fact, you can substitute the vegetables with any of your favorites. You can use cupcake liners for easy cleanup, but the frittatas hold their shape better without the liners. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the frittatas are set in the center. Let cool for a few minutes before using a rubber spatula to loosen them from the cupcake pan and transfer them to a plate. These Mini Fiesta Frittatas are so convenient to make, especially when you want a quick but filling baon.